Bakshi Kunta Lake, a project driven by compassion and community spirit. It all started with a shared vision from the Phenom Care and Malligavad Foundation, inspired by the noble efforts of Mr. Nancharaya, Mr. Mahi, Mr. Hari, and Ms. Sunita Bayireddi. The initiative was further guided by the dedication of Shri Anand and Anand Malligavad. Phenom Care partnered with the Lake Man of India to restore this vital resource. This initiative was truly special thanks to the incredible support from Serilingampally MLA Arekapudi Gandhi and the Corporator and the local community leader, along with the active participation of local residents. We are deeply grateful for their support. Our employees also played a crucial role, dedicating their time and effort to make a lasting impact on the community. The Rejuvenation has impacted over 1 lakh lives, creating a renewed natural habitat. We also built a walking track and children's play area, promoting health and wellness. Today, the lake is a lifeline for many, showing the power of collective action.